Have you ever contemplated the essence of true wealth? Frequently, we gauge wealth by its monetary or material dimensions, but does this actually encompass its full scope? Across the annals of time, our comprehension of wealth has undergone a transformation. Ancestral societies held in high esteem bonds of community-shared resources and harmonious coexistence with the natural world. With the march of civilizations, amassing material possessions gradually came to symbolize prosperity. However, this transition was not without its price, a gradual detachment from wealth's genuine core. In our contemporary epoch, the potency of money remains undeniable. It affords access to education, healthcare, and avenues that enhance our quality of life. But can money be truly designated as authentic wealth? Money operates as a formidable instrument, akin to a double-edged blade. It offers assurance of security, pleasure, and freedom, yet it falls short of guaranteeing authentic happiness or contentment. Our self-worth should not be tethered to the digits in our bank accounts. Such an attachment could propel us into an unending pursuit of more, ensnaring us within the delusion that our value is singularly defined by monetary wealth. Wealth, my compatriots, constitutes a concept, a mentality transcending material accumulation. Contemplate wealth as an amalgamation of spiritual, physical, intellectual, and social well-being. Succinctly put, it encompasses freedom, family, and vitality. True wealth resides in the realms of knowledge and sagacity. It transcends the constraints of fiscal measurements. It embraces the opulence of relationships, the profundity of experiences, and the synchronization of our existence with our principles. Wealth manifests within acts of compassion and selflessness. It manifests in uplifting others, empowering them, and infusing their lives with elation. It lies in contributing to causes that ignite our passion or immersing ourselves in pursuits that resonate deeply within us. Above all, wealth thrives in the context of meaningful and affectionate relationships. It involves cherishing the ties binding us to family and friends. Nevertheless, it's imperative to acknowledge that money can facilitate certain aspects of wealth, yet it should not serve as the sole arbiter of our lives. Let's pivot our perspective and redefine the true essence of wealth. Recall, dear acquaintances, that money is not synonymous with wealth. Wealth stands as an abstract notion, a conduit to lead a life of fullness, an idea. Embrace it, and you'll open doors to limitless possibilities. Pious billionaires extend gratitude for embarking on this expedition to uncover the authentic significance of wealth. If this discourse resonated with you, do subscribe to our channel for more intellectually stimulating content. Cultivate wealth of the mind, the heart, and the soul. Pious Billionaires.